So in just about 24 to 48 hours, we're going to be talking about some storms in our area. So here's what's happening for you. Alert day for your Saturday. We'll focus on Saturday first. Level 3 and 4 risk for severe weather. The timing I've been mentioning after 11 a.m. to about 8 p.m., but likely moving out of lower Plaquemine Parish by just a little bit before midnight. All the impacts are on the table for us: tornadoes, wind, hail, heavy rain. Also, this is a reminder, make sure you do have multiple ways of getting alerts, weather radio, if you do have that, of course, your cell phone, and then TV. Make sure you do have everything plugged up and you're all good to go. Don't want to be thrown off guard. All right, here's what's going on for us. First, let's talk about today. We do have a marginal risk for seeing severe weather, but the main threat will be just to the north of us. But there's still that possibility that any thunderstorms we do have could turn severe. So there's that potential. It's on the lower end. For tomorrow, there's a much better chance of this. Looking at a level 3 and 4 risk for seeing that. And really, it's everybody in the southern region. So here's what's going on. All the North Shore, portions of the South Shore under that level 4 threat. So we do have that higher chance of seeing some storms turn severe. Likely going to be talking about a tornado watch coming out. Tornado warnings very likely for us too. Here's what's going on. Let's talk about today. So before noon, we could see a couple scattered showers. Really not a big deal for us. Head out the door. It's foggy. It's muggy. It's going to be warm for today. As we get to the evening, temperatures still mild, looking at the 70s for us. But look at these scattered showers that will pop up, and then as we get closer to midnight, that some of these could turn severe. There's a lower chance of that, but there's a possibility. I think more of that will happen just to the north. So this is just after midnight. Then things are quiet for us overnight. We get to Saturday morning, we're good to go. Here's noon Saturday. Most of us are very quiet as of right now, but starting to see the first rounds of storms moving into Tangipahoa Hill Parish at this time. We'll go every 2 hours. Here's 2 p.m. Starting to see it spread more to the North Shore. So just on the other side of the causeway, just about, but already starting to see it line up down to the bayou as at this point. You see how it's kind of curving and some of the shapes of it. Well, that could be some rotation within there. It's not perfect though, but the timing of it just gives you a general idea. Here's 4 p.m. Already starting to see it move into the New Orleans area. For 5 p.m., that line still trying to hold together. It moves on the other side of New Orleans about 6 p.m., but still seeing it lined up. Mississippi counties definitely seeing that. And then it does try to regain some strength, it looks like, or organization rather, as it does move over that warmer water once it moves to the lower portions of Plaquemine Parish. Then for Sunday morning, we clear out. So everybody under that risk, we're seeing some tornadoes, some stronger tornadoes. That's a possibility for us. Also looking at the significant risk for some hail. Could be some large damaging hail. Also damaging winds in effect as well. Do you have a wind advisory for tomorrow? Not for today. Wind speeds will start to pick up, but there is a dense fog advisory for everyone today, even over bodies of water until 11 a.m. Here's what some of your visibility looks like. You'll notice that as soon as you step outside. So give yourself some extra time this morning. And then also your temperatures. You don't need a jacket this morning. It's muggy. It's warm, upper 60s, lower 70s. Highs for today will make it into the lower 80s. Then after the storms for the weekend, well, things will be a lot better. Couple days to relax, some 70s up ahead. Brady.